In this tutorial, I will show you how to add follow button to Facebook profile in just few easy steps. So let's start writing. From Facebook app, click on these three lines at top left corner. Now click on settings and privacy. Then click on settings. Once you are here, then scroll to the audience and visibility section. And from here, click on how people find and contact me. Now click on who can read your friend request. And from here, select friends or friends. Then click on save. After this, go back to settings and privacy and click on post. And from here, click on who can see your future post. Now you have to select public. Then click on save. After this, again go back to settings and privacy. And now you have to click on followers and public contact. Now click on update your profile. And from here, click on next. Now review these key changes. Then click on update your profile. Now select public and click on next. Then review selection and then click on confirm. And from here, choose categories to describe your profile. Then click on next. Now click on this cross icon and from here, if you click these three dots, then click on view. Then you will see follow button has been added to your profile. So that's how you can add follow button to the Facebook profile in just few easy steps.